Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need the exact YouTube URL and a QR generator that supports dynamic codes. First, copy the video's page link. This is the destination your QR will encode. Next, choose static if you never plan to change the link, or dynamic if you want analytics and editable destinations later. Make sure to remove unnecessary query strings so the QR encodes a clean URL. This reduces scanning errors. Once done, paste the link into your generator and move to customization. Now customize the QR to match your brand and scanning reliability. Pick a dark foreground and a light background. This ensures cameras detect the pattern. Add a tiny logo at the center, but avoid covering critical alignment squares. Keep the overlay under 30% of the code. Select output: PNG for online, SVG, or PDF for scalable print. Also set error correction to medium-high so the QR tolerates the logo and slight damage. After styling, create a test version and scan it immediately. Finish by exporting your QR in the correct formats and sizes. Download a high-res print file and a web-optimized PNG so you can use the same code across materials. Then test the QR on several phones and scanners. Scan from a screen and from printed paper in low and bright light. Make sure the YouTube page loads and autoplays if desired. If scans fail, increase contrast, or lower logo size, that single tweak often fixes most issues. Re-export and retest after adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.